Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now make the plaits by dividing the hairs and fold them upward on the alternative sides. Fix it using the hair clips and it's ready. Next you have to make a ponytail. Roll the hairs upward and fix this bun pin on the hairs. Now tie the hairs on the top and after that roll it down using this bun pin and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making a ponytail. Fix this hair clip on the hairs. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts, fold them upward and fix it after rolling it like this. Tie them as shown in the video on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the bun pin and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail as shown in the video. Now fix this bun stick on the hairs. Now roll the hairs around it and fix it. Now fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it from the side and it's ready. Next, you have to make a high ponytail. Fix the hairs in the half like this. Divide it from the between and then rotate it after that. Now fix it over the bun. Now spread the hairs on the sides and fix it at the bottom by tying a rubber band and fix a clutch and it's ready. Next, you have to fix this hair clip on the hairs after folding the hairs little bit. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts, fold them upward and fix it like this on the alternative sides. Now tie them on the top together, roll it down and fix it using the bun hairpins and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be tying the hairs and fix this hair clutch on the hairs. Now divide the hairs into half and fold it upward. Now fix the hairs inside the hair clutch and your hair bun is ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to make a ponytail. Fix the hairs in the half, fold it from the between and fix it on the top using the hair clutch like this and your hair bun is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and put the hair clutch. Now after that, you have to tie all the hairs together using a rubber band, divide it from the between and fold it upward. Fix it inside the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, you have to make a high ponytail. Using this bun plate, we have to roll the hairs upward. Fold it like this, spread it from the sides, spread the hairs and fix it using a rubber band and the bun pin and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a high ponytail. Put this bun foam on the hairs. Now spread the hairs around it and fix it using a rubber band like this. Now take the hairs on the sides and roll it like this and fix it using a rubber band and put the hair clutch like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail as shown in the video. Fix the hairs in the half by folding it upward. Fix the hairs inside like this and put the rubber band. Now put this bun net over the hairs to fix it properly and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking this bun clutch and roll the hairs along with it on the upward section and fold it like this and fix it and your bun is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Now divide the hairs and then rotate it like this. Now after that, we will tie the hairs from the between and then fold it upward and fix it using the hair clutch. Put the hair clutch to fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs using this clutch. So first roll the hairs upward using the fingers like this and fix it on the side putting this clutch. Lock it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to make a high ponytail. Take this bun clutch. Now roll the hairs and then fold it upward and fix it using the hair bun clutch like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.